Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing super well and welcome to this Paint With Me session. Here is me thinking of ideas and rather unsuccessfully. And here as I do a little dance warm up, on the right is my Instagram and I would adore it if you were to follow me if you are an artist or creative person. And now we begin painting. Now this painting actually took several days, so I'm going to show you like sort of clips of my working process, but I didn't record absolutely all of it. In fact, these are only just small sections really because it just took so long and I was constantly transferring from table to easel to table to easel, that type of thing. So in this video, I thought I'd talk about selling art on online platforms and online platforms for displaying your art, promoting yourself, particularly to sell. And I don't think I've really approached this subject before in my videos. The reason I thought I'd talk about it is because I've been considering opening an Etsy shop. Now, I did actually start an Etsy shop a few years ago and I posted something on there and then I just deleted my account because I just felt that with my art, I spent a lot more time trying to promote my artwork through displaying my work in galleries. However, this was all before any kind of lockdown happened. And so I was planning to exhibit actually just before lockdown occurred. So it sort of changed my whole position on how I promote my art and how I sell my art. So I do have a Redbubble account. Now, I have sold on Redbubble before and I do sell on Redbubble from time to time. The only problem with Redbubble, if you are interested of selling on there, is that although it's amazing because you can basically place your designs on lots of different merchandise, so you can get your designs on like t-shirts and just it's so automatic, and like mugs and cushions, so many different things, and it's such a great easy to use platform. The only problem is that because they do the dispatch of the items, they keep quite a large amount of the profits. So I would use Redbubble more as my kind of confidence booster. So it made me feel really good when I make a sale on there, but it's not financially that beneficial. So I do enjoy selling on there, but I do think that perhaps I should, especially now that lockdown is going to be happening for a lot longer, I should really consider seriously about selling my work on different platforms. One of the reasons that often stalls me from doing so, particularly recently when I've been sort of spending a lot of time looking at these things, is I don't know if anyone can relate, but I truly despise filling out forms on internet sites. Like it seems whenever you sign up to any website, whether it be to sell or to promote your art or to promote yourself even, you have to fill out all these things about yourself. Now, of course, there's a data worry as well, but that actually doesn't worry me as much because I'm so prolific on all these platforms now. It's sort of like I've just sort of signed my life away to it really, but it's just the actual rigmarole of having to, you know, fill out the same tedious information every time I want to sell somewhere. And I think that many sites, they try to make it a lot easier, but it just puts you off from even starting, or at least it does for me anyway. So I don't know if anyone else can relate. And so hopefully I will have some of my pieces for sale. And this painting is entitled The Snail Carriage. I should have mentioned that before. And here is a close-up. I do apologise that the lighting may give the illusion that this painting is sort of very shiny, but in actual fact, although it does have a gloss finish due to my medium, it was still very wet at this point. And so I do really hope that you like this painting. And if you're interested in any of the stories behind my artwork, then please check out my Instagram and I will see you next week. I really hope you enjoyed this painting process. Take care, guys.